learningBOX. AI auto-captions and translation. Creating accessible content has never been easier. This video demonstrates how learningBOX automatically handles subtitling and translation for any video you upload. Let's say I am a university faculty member providing video tutorials to colleagues in Japan. Since our video tutorials are only in English, we'll display Japanese subtitles to ensure better comprehension for our colleagues. First, upload a video. You can drag and drop a file or select one from the button. Once finished encoding, let's add subtitles. Manual input is available, but let me try AI function this time. You can select a source language, but the AI automatically detects it from the audio file you uploaded. The subtitles have been generated. This time, I want to display the subtitles in Japanese, so let's ask the AI to translate them. You can select from many available languages. Now, the subtitles have been generated in Japanese. If you want to change the subtitles, you can easily edit them if necessary. Also, you can duplicate or delete each subtitle by clicking the icons. Let's save as public so the members can watch the video. Next, let me move to my Japanese colleague's account to see how it looks. Since he selects Japanese for the interface, you see the menus are displayed in Japanese. Let's play the video. As you can see, the subtitles are displayed in Japanese. So fast and easy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.